Hi, my name's Melanie Hussell, and today's word of the week is analysis, often pronounced as the verb analyse. Let's look at both of these words and compare the two. Let's start with the verb analyse. How many syllables? A-N-Lies. Yes, 3 syllables. Now let's look at the sounds in those syllables. First syllable, a, short vowel, n, an. Second syllable, a, weak, unstressed vowel. Let's look at the final syllable, l, I, long vowel, z, lies. Let's put the sounds together. Analyse, analyse. Where is the stress in this word? Analyse. Yes, it's right at the beginning. Now let's have a look at the noun. Analysis. How many syllables? Analysis. 4 syllables. Now let's look at the sounds in those syllables. First syllable, weak, unstressed vowel. Second syllable, n, a, short vowel, oo, nal. Now let's look at the third syllable, weak, unstressed vowel again. Now let's look at the fourth syllable, s, I, short vowel, s, sis. Now let's put them together. Analysis. Faster. Analysis. Where is the stress in this word? Analysis. Yes, it's on the second syllable. Analysis. Now let's put these 2 words together into 2 sample sentences. We need to further analyse this for our client. Further analysis will definitely be required later. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And if you'd like further help with your pronunciation or communication skills, do visit my site, Speak Up. Have a lovely day.